Hi, Mary O'Broy.
And I'm Aliya Mody.
We're super excited about another gem we have here in Silicon Valley. You're gonna love this one, especially if you love the views as much as I do. And if you love cooking in a kitchen like this as much as I do, you're gonna really like this property because I can only imagine the lucky buyer who's gonna be hanging out here, entertaining family and friends while looking at these gorgeous views. So what do you think, Aliya?
Absolutely, Ed. You're so right. This home has it all. Views galore, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, completely updated. You have to come take a tour with us.
Welcome to 573 Adeline Avenue. Perched atop the rolling landscapes of Communications Hill is 573 Adeline Avenue, a home that feels like a private sanctuary with breathtaking views. As you step inside this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, the most desirable floor plan unfolds before you. Designed to feel like a single-family home while offering the ease of townhome living. Sunlight dances through corner unit windows, filling every space with warmth and brilliance. With no houses in front, breathtaking valley and mountain views greet you from one side, while a peaceful park stretches out behind, an oasis of privacy and serenity. The heart of the home is the newly upgraded kitchen, where sleek quartz countertops, a full pantry, and modern appliances invite both culinary adventures and quiet morning coffees. Throughout the home, designer luxury vinyl plank floors add a touch of modern elegance, tying each space together in a seamless flow. Step into the private, spacious back patio, which is an entertainer's dream, where barbecues and evening gatherings unfold under the open sky. The Tuscany-inspired architecture exudes timeless charm, blending the romance of European design with the comfort of contemporary living. Upstairs, the primary suite is a world of its own. A tranquil escape with French doors leading to a private balcony where you can sip your morning coffee while soaking in the breathtaking mountain and valley views. The home is also pre-wired for surround sound in both the family room and the primary suite, ensuring an immersive experience whether you're enjoying a quiet night in or hosting a lively gathering. And when it comes to parking, convenience abounds. A 2-car parallel garage, plenty of street parking, and no houses directly across ensures a hassle-free experience. With spacious 2,099 square feet of living space, this rarely available floor plan offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and privacy. All within walking distance to parks and trails that make this location so sought after. 573 Adeline Avenue isn't just a home, it's a story waiting to be lived.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful home.
And as you saw, it's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, reach out to us and we'll see you soon.